How to format booklets in Google Docs page. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you the best way. So let's start with the video, guys. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget to comment below. Okay, so let me open Google Docs. Okay guys, here you can see this is my new Google Docs page. I have only one page here, so I will show you the best way. So first take the page. Now go to the file, go to the page setup, and here on top margin take the 05, then bottom dot .5, left dot .5, right dot .5, and don't make set as a default, just go to the OK. Done. Now we need to go in format and go to the column, and here you can see, go to the more options. Make sure we need to take the two columns here, and we need line between the column and apply it. Okay, now go to the insert, go to the break page, and go to the column break. Now you can see you will have the both side, you can write like this. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.